cat is making a birthday cake and decorating her kitten's birthday party.
Hi, Mom. I'm back from school. Wow!
The kitten came home from school and was very surprised to see a beautiful cake. Oh no! The kitten lights the candles for the birthday cake, but accidentally drops many burning matches to the ground. The mother cat was cooking when she saw smoke and heard the sound of fire, so she quickly went to find the kitten. The mother cat hugged the kitten and tried to run away from the fire, but the fire was so big that she was helpless. This firefight